a very special milestone for all of us because we are going to unveil yet another premier dental destination for dental care. Urban Smiles Dental Clinic BGC branch is not just an ordinary dental clinic. It is a space where innovation, expertise, and world-class dental care meets to provide the needs of the modern Filipinos, not only Filipinos but also our patients abroad.
Today is not just the unveiling of a new branch, but a testament to the hard work, dedication, and vision of our entire team. We are incredibly grateful to be surrounded by such esteemed guests and people who truly support us. Today marked the beginning of something truly special, a place where dreams are realized through brighter, healthier smiles. Together, we will continue to elevate the standards of dental care and inspire confidence in every smile we help create. Thank you and welcome to Urban Smiles Dental Clinic BGC branch, where beautiful smiles are made.
Wow, 7 minutes.
Yes.
Painless, right? Mag-aatubiling mag-isipan ng iba. If you want your smile, to have a beautiful smile, mag-Urban Smile.
Sobrang thankful lang and sobrang proud to be part of Urban Smiles. World class talaga ang kanilang pag-aalaga sa aking pamilya, sa akin. Sobrang thankful lang po talaga ako of RSB to be part of this family. And yun, sana sa Urban Smiles na rin kayo, alagaan namin yung mga ngiti.
Po sa inyong lahat, of course, we're inviting everybody, mula bata hanggang pagtanda, mag-Urban Smiles po kasi talagang kilala tayo ng mga Pilipino sa ating mga ngiti. Kaya simulan pa lang natin sa mga bata, dali na natin sila sa dentist para talaga malagaan ang ating mga smiles. And syempre, saan pa kayo pupunta kundi sa Urban Smiles?
Sobra ako saya. Sobra yung pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ng binibigay nila. Kaya sana po, lahat ng mga Pilipino, alagaan po natin ang ating mga magagandang mga ngiti. Maraming salamat po.